Friday night, Asakusa, 4:30. We're on Orange Street. I don't know what that is. We're heading towards the shrine. It's called Orange Street because it's orange. So, look at all these streets. How cool! Is that 3 geisha? Look at that. Very cool. All right, let's keep going. It's raining. It's like being back in Belfast. If somebody let off a bomb, it'd really feel like oh, check it out. That's where you want to shop on a rainy day. We've got a covered roof. We've got geisha. It's awesome. Let's go down there. Look at this cool shot. Tokyo Tower. Through these 2 trees. On Orange Street. So we're heading up to the Asakusa gate. We're gonna make a turn here, but look at this. This place is awesome. Just turn any corner, you got the old right up against the new. Alright, let's go. Here's the way into the shrine. Perfect on a rainy day. Not too many people here. Nice view of the shrine. Over this big gate. And look at this. Nice. And here it is, guys. I heard this closed at 5. There's still some shops open here. Come back to me. Oh, we're coming to the gate.
At Christmas time, and then 1 week on spring.
Look at that. Nice. And this is the main street leading up to it. That's that main shopping area. We'll come to all this tomorrow. I just wanted to see it tonight. Just got here. Oh, look at that. Oh. Here we go, guys. Enough of the smiley time videos and the YouTubers. I'm here. I'm in Asakusa. This is incredible. Absolutely amazing. Look at this demo. And look at the geisha. Getting their photo ops underneath that. So cool. Hanging out of their culture. Wow, check this guy out. Look at this. This is some kind of a form of prayer. I want to be respectful. They're bringing the incense. Interesting. You guys, from the temple and the construction to the trees, everything in this place is just amazing. Some motorcycles in here. Oh, wow. Look at these designs on the edge of these roofs. So beautiful. I can't film behind me, guys. There's an amazing shrine set up. It's an actual worship center. Would definitely be disrespectful. Look at this. Everywhere you look, there's an angle you shouldn't have missed. Just great photographs. Look at this. Is this amazing? Detail on everything. Japan is literally unbelievable. There's an angle. There's the let's go down there. everywhere, guys. And every inch of it just manicured and beautiful. Look at this. And we're right there. On the other side of the temple. We haven't even gone into this pagoda yet. Let's go check that out. This place is just incredible. We're in the prayer side. Just in the middle. This lady praying here. So nice. Nice angle here. Would you like to pray with that as your backdrop? Amazing. They've left nothing. Even every pillar on this fence is inscribed. This place is just absolutely incredible. And I just missed the snow. Not just. We're definitely coming back for that.